Alright, so we're out here today, working on the skater again. Hubby's already been wiring up a bunch of the interior lighting. Got all of our lighting from Shadowcaster Lighting. I will definitely tag them in. Huge shout out to Shadowcaster. They hooked us up. Also, we have right here underwater lighting we're going to be installing behind the back of the boat here, which we're getting ready to do. Which that's what Travis is doing, is looking where we are going to cut the hole for the underwater lights. We're going to do one on each side of the boat. And I'll just show you guys how it all turns out when we're all done.
Okay guys, Shadowcaster lights here, underwater lights. We went with the SCR 24s, super bright. They need to be installed under the water line, keeps them cool. So we're looking at about right here where that black X is. Already ran 10 gauge wire all the way up to the switch and the fuse panel. Make sure you guys fuse them and we'll see what they look like.
There we go.
Beautiful. How nice that looks.